Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ice cream with just 2 ingredients. First, gather your heavy cream and sweetened condensed milk. These 2 simple items are the foundation for a delicious, no-churn treat. The heavy cream provides the essential fat for a creamy consistency, while the sweetened condensed milk brings the perfect balance of sweetness and a smooth, delightful texture. It's surprisingly easy to create a wonderful dessert with so little effort. Next, pour your cold, heavy cream into a large bowl and whip it using an electric mixer until it forms stiff peaks. This creates the airy base for your ice cream. Then, gently fold in the sweetened condensed milk until just combined, being careful not to deflate the cream. Now is the perfect time to add any flavorings, such as 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract or 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, for a personalized touch. Once your mixture is ready, carefully pour it into a freezer-safe container. A loaf pan or a shallow dish works wonderfully. Make sure to cover the container tightly with plastic wrap or a lid to prevent any ice crystals from forming on the surface, which can affect the texture. Place it in the freezer for a minimum of 6 hours or until it's completely firm and ready to scoop. Patience is key for the perfect set. When you're ready to enjoy your homemade ice cream, take it out of the freezer and let it sit at room temperature for a few minutes to soften slightly. This makes it much easier to scoop. Serve it plain to savor its simple goodness, or get creative with your favorite toppings like fresh fruit, chocolate sauce, or sprinkles. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the freezer to maintain its delicious quality for future enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.